In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Epson WorkForce 2950 printer to the factory defaults. It will reset most of the settings. It will also reset the Wi-Fi and the admin password. Now go to the printer control panel. Go to the printer panel. Scroll to the settings. Press OK. Scroll ahead. So that's going to be the restore default settings. Press OK. Now you can select network setting, copy setting, scan setting, fax settings, or clear all data and setting. So anything you want to restore to the default, you can select from here. And if you want to do complete reset, just select the last option and press OK. So that's the way we can do the reset of this printer to the factory defaults. And now it's ready for the setup again. Thanks for watching.